I just got some dental work done. I got 3 cavities filled on one side of my mouth, so I'm really numb on my right side right here. I don't know if it flips or how it flips it. So Ty and I have been in our new apartment for about a week. I want to film an apartment tour, but we need like a vacuum and a good mop. We have a broom. Hey guys, so we ended up going to Burlington and I had to map it and we got some stuff there. And then we just ate at Rosa's. It was delicious. Was it delicious?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. My numbing is wearing off, so my teeth kind of hurt. Anyway, right now we're in Tractor Supply to look at the chicks, and then we're gonna go to Dirt Cheap. Oh my goodness. Hang on, let me try. Oh, my car is full of stuff to bring in and do a haul with when we get back. Jesus. You're going. My mouth is completely fine now. Still bleeding a little bit, but I feel pretty good. We're back. It's so hot outside, but I'm just gonna show you guys everything I got. So if you guys are new here, I'm Maddie. That's Ty. We just moved in together.
I'm good.
We have been together for, it'll be a year October 1st.
Jesus fuck.
And I'm 19 and he's 22. So there's the lowdown. So yeah, Ty just got out of the Army. Your girl did a year of college. Right now I'm taking like a gap year after doing a year. It's what we're doing. So
I'm going to college.
He is going to college. He just got out of the Army. So
The electrician.
he's being an electrician.
Guess who's not going to college? My future wife.
So yeah, that's why I look like a hot mess. It's literally 103 degrees outside. We live in Texas. But yeah, we went and got some good stuff today, so I want to show it to you guys. Yesterday I went to the Dollar Tree. I got some more cleaning stuff, but I'm not getting it all out because it's all put away. I got like toilet cleaner, shower cleaner. No, I got like bathtub cleaner, shower cleaner, like all that stuff. I got this duster I'll show you guys. So it's small, which I like. And I have one that's like microfiber. And it works pretty well, but I want to try this one. And I also can wash the microfiber one. I've had it for like 2 years, so I really like that. But this one, oh, these are not washable. I'm pretty sure this would just fall apart. So, we have 2 uses. I wish you could just buy this part in there, but I don't see just the fluffy part, so I think you have to get a new handle every time. But it's $1. So we'll see how these work. I'm excited. Okay, so I guess since I already jumped into Dollar Tree, I should continue with Dollar Tree. So I got 2 Mambas because I really like candy.
Calling Mamba.
But I just got some cavity fillings, so it'll probably be a few days before I eat these. I just want them to like set in place. I don't even know if that's valid, but I got the Mamba Tropics and just the regular. They're like Starburst, but I like both, but these are really good. We got a paper towel holder. Dollar Tree is great, y'all, if you move into your own place, because they have so much stuff. So yeah, we got a paper towel holder, a spatula. We already got like a spatula and some spoons, but we got a spoon with holes, and a ladle. And when I show my apartment tour, obviously you guys will see all the stuff we have. And we got one of these like microwave plates, like you can put over plates when you microwave stuff. So I'm kind of excited to try this because I hate cleaning out microwaves. That's like the thing I hate the most. I got this fragrance warmer. I got one from the Dollar Tree, but you have to like light a tea tree candle inside of it, or a tea tree, not a tea tree, a tea light. Oh my god, a tea light candle, and I like it. It's a little fish, but I also wanted like an electric one. So this one is kind of pretty. It just looks like this. It wasn't my absolute favorite, but see, it's just like a tan. It is pretty, and it will work. So I got this. We got this to put our sponge in for the dishes, and I guess I should just tell you the prices of things. So obviously everything from the Dollar Tree was $1. I like to look prices of things. This was $6, which I thought wasn't bad because some of these can get really pricey, and it says the comparable value is $8. Don't know how true those comparable values are. all the time. So yeah, this is a soap holder. I like that it had like grating in the bottom, so it's easy to clean out. I thought about getting one of the suction cup ones, but I like this one, the black. So yeah, and this was $2.99, and apparently it's comparable to $8, and it's like metal. It's pretty nice. We got a meat thermometer, and this was $4.99. And then we got this for Ty. It's for his beard. And this was only $2. It was on clearance. So he's growing his beard out because he can. Looking like a whole man over there. What do you think? You looking like a whole man?
Oh yeah.
We got this Glow Mist LED essential oil diffuser because diffusers can be expensive, and this was only $13. So I'm really excited to try this. I really like oil diffusers, so I have one in the bathroom, and I'm excited to try this one. We got this. I'm gonna need this receipt. 30-mile range HD TV digital antenna to see if it works. This was $4.99, so we will see how this works. So I have the Chromecast, and we do have a DVD player, and we stole one of my parents' cases of movies. And then Ty wants to go put up his TV or see if this will fit. So we did just also get a TV mount for his TV. This one, we're gonna see if it fits. It was the cheapest one. It was $10. Some of their TV stands alone were $70. So we're hoping this one works. So here you go. This is the On brand, and it can hold up to 44 pounds. So his TV will be fine. Also from Dollar Tree, I did get this nail polish remover. It's 100% acetone. That's just what I use. I only paint my nails, so back to Burlington, we did get this mason jar. It's this really pretty blue color that is a common theme in our apartment. And this is to put the dish soap in. We already have one for our hand soap, but I like to have one to put dish soap in so that way you can just pump it. And this was only $5, so that wasn't bad, and it's super cute. Super cute, and it's like smooth. It's not like, I don't like when things are painted and they're like crusty. Y'all know what I'm talking about? And then we got 2 of the Method floor cleaners, and I think that these are like, okay, they're like another language. Look at this. I don't even know if you can tell. They're not in English. This one had a sticker put over it that said it was the wood cleaner. I'm guessing this is the tile cleaner. The tile in our kitchen seems pretty heavy duty, so I think it'll be fine. My biggest concern was getting one that's safe for wood, so we got that. And this is like the spray kind, so I'm really excited, like the kind you squirt on the floor. I'm really excited for these because they're the Method ones too. Oh, and these were each $4, so that's not bad, I don't think, for them. I don't really know. I just see all the like cleaning moms, we use Method on YouTube. So then we popped into Petco. We have a hedgehog now and this little teal bowl, and I just want him to have a water bowl as well as a water bottle, and I think this will be harder for him to spill, but it's like pretty deep. This was like $2. And then I got him some treats. This is the Oxbow. I know these are a really good brand, and this is for, nothing says hedgehogs. Okay, that's the first problem I had, but this has like every single small rodent known to man that's kept as a pet. Okay, these were $4. Some of the treats were really expensive. I used to have rats, and it was really easy to find stuff for them there. They didn't have these when I had my rats though. But yeah, I just got some of these. And then these are the thing that I'm kind of worried about. I did like this brand for my rats as well. I know Ozzy has kind of a sensitive track. He's only been fed cat food, and I know that they are supposed to have fresh fruit and vegetables, and I've been trying to introduce them to him, and he's like, no. But I did also get him these, and these are Hazel Hamster Lovelies with banana, strawberry, and apricot. And it said on the back that they are a complimentary pet treat for small animals, not just for hamsters. And they're really cute. And these were $4, I believe. They were $3. We're gonna go with Dirt Cheap next. We did get a plunger just because we don't want to wait until we need a plunger to get one. This was $1.69. The ones at the Dollar Tree are the wooden handle, brown. This one I feel like looks a little bit better. I don't know, I'm weird about stuff like that, and Ty lets me be weird, so it's fine. Ty needed some hangers. I'm probably gonna need some hangers too. These were like $1 or $2. They were really cheap for all of these. They're the Room Essential brand. So I got some more of the spray stuff. I originally wanted to get Pine Sol cleaner, but then we found these cleaners. These were $1 a piece. And again, we got hardwood floor and we have multi-surface floor. So the wood cleaner and the tile. Again, and because they were $1 a piece, I got one of each. And again, they're the kind that you just spray onto the floor. Like I said, I admit, I originally was planning on getting Pine Sol at Walmart. Then we just got the Up and Up brand Spring Breeze premium laundry detergent. And it says $9 on it, but it was actually like $5.69. It's a little bit dirty, like there's some laundry detergent on the outside, and I feel like a little bit spilled. But for $5 for this big thing of laundry detergent, I feel like you can't beat it. Okay, let's go to Walmart. We got a big thing of Dawn dish soap to fill up our soap thing. We've been using this little one, which is fine, but I figured we'd get a bigger one to have it, I guess. I don't know. We got 2 things of dish sponges because Ty likes to throw them away excessively. We had a talk, but we just got these heavy duty sponges. I just like the ones that have the stretchy side and the soft side. It's a personal preference. I got this cleaner, microfiber cleaner thing for our blinds because I hate dirty blinds. So I'm really excited for this. This was like $4. Oh, and these are like $1.72 a pack. You get 4 of them, and the Dawn dish soap I think was $5. This hair catcher was $2. I wash my hair once a week, and in between washes I don't brush my hair. That sounds so bad. Sometimes I will if it gets bad, but I don't really brush it because it just gets frizzy. Today it's doing its own thing. I washed it last night though. So when I wash my hair, I lose a lot of hair because I'm not brushing it every day, and my normal shedding process like is different, I guess. I don't really know. So I just got this to put so I don't clog our drain, because I most definitely will. And the last thing we made it, guys, is, oh no we didn't, because I had 2 other things that I can't bring over here. I wanted to get a nice mop, so this is the Swiffer dry and wet sweeping kit. So it comes with 7 dry and 7 wet ones, and I'm guessing with the wet ones I can still use my floor cleaner ones. They didn't have the regular Swiffer, so this is for pets, the pet one, but I think it's fine. And then I did get the heavy duty pet ones. So we'll see. I'm guessing I can still use my floor cleaner with this. We also do have just a basic mop, so we'll see. And I just got the smaller. This only has 10 cloths. They had one that had 20, but I was like, I don't think we're gonna mop that much. But yeah. So Ty got one of these big chairs because our couch is kind of small, but it's the Big Joe at Walmart. It was like $34. And then also at Dirt Cheap we did get a vacuum, and it's the Air Swivel from Black & Decker. We got it for $45, and they're normally around $70, so it's a pretty good deal. We tested it, we put it together, it never been out of the box. And then Ozzy's in here, so yay.